Welcome back to the channel. So today here I stand in my newly completed bicycle workshop. But before this it was quite a mess. It was just tools everywhere, and now I've turned it into a fully functional bicycle workshop. So let's go to the build lapses. I started off by clearing all the mess which was around my bike workshop. This included the bike stands, the bike, and all the stuff and the mess which was on my workbench. Before this I had this shelving rack quite high up, so I decided to lower it to make it a better height for working on bikes. The red drawers you see is my attempt of making a tool chest cabinet. I made it a while ago using an old chest of drawers from an old desk. I painted it red to make it look more like a real tool cabinet. It was now time to organize the workbench. Now this marks the end of my bike workshop makeover. We took a messy, unorganized excuse of a workshop to an organized, clean bike workshop, which I'm sure will make working on bikes much easier. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to see more videos to inspire you to get outside and ride your bike.